Today's soybeans were mixed. The fourth quarter demand is weak, and that's kind of pressing the market a little bit lower. We're closing in on the end of the year, and we're really exposing what harm the tariffs have done on these markets. Right now, it's high season for China, where they normally would buy their biggest purchases in soybeans, and we know that that's going to be going to Brazil. So it's hurting our farmers a lot, actually. And I see that's why a little bit that the market is starting to sag. When there's no news in it, we see it start to sink a little bit like down there. And I think that, the new president in Brazil has rallied the real. So that may put a little bit of a stall in some of those, in some of the trade back and forth with Brazil and China. Maybe somewhere along the line, the U.S. can be filtered in there. But as it stands right now, it's not looking like much. Now, corn was mixed today. The big crop has really capped any kind of significant rally that we can do. But as in soybeans, corn as well, this harvest is going through, and we're these big numbers that are going to be coming in are going to saddle the U.S. with a lot of supplies and nowhere to go. So that's going to be a little bit difficult to deal with right now. But we're in corn, the demand is really good, but we're going to need more to really eat through some of the supplies that we had. Wheat was firm today. That's the one that was really strongest of the grains. The export outlook is positive, and that's because that surprise Egyptian purchase really offered a little bit of optimism. Along with Australia, they did cut their harvest numbers and perhaps give us some chance to sell some of our wheat there and kind of eat through the wheat supplies that we have. That being said, we're still down and trying to hold on to that benchmark level of $5 and trying to stay above that mark. Now, last week it kind of dropped below, but now we're back above it again, and hopefully that will offer some support right now. Today, the Egyptian purchase is really doing that for us.